So welcome back. Just a quick update. So after trying to modify the gear for the distributor here on this Belmont, just realized that the gears are going different directions. So for me to realize that or discover that, I had to open up the bottom, or rather remove the bottom part. What do you call this? The sump. I had to remove it from the bottom there so that I can check the oil pump and the direction the gear teeth are going. So after opening that and doing a cleaning and stuff, just discovered that the gears are going the wrong direction. So these gears are going in the opposite direction from the ones that are on the shaft in the engine. I'm going to show you that just in a moment. Let me just go down there. Okay, so that's the oil pump right there, and the shaft that holds this is a shaft that holds the distributor on top there. So if you look up here, this is where I just opened the engine from the bottom. So right there, inside there, I hope you can see this. Just hold on. Let me try and zoom it in and see if you can see the gear there. Okay, right there. Where's my flashlight? So, okay, there you go. If you can see those gears right there, that's the shaft that holds that turns the distributor. So the gears on this distributor are going the opposite direction to the shaft you're seeing right there. So right now the challenge I have is how to, now just have to order the gears that are going in the opposite direction. I sold them on eBay, and I hope that can come in good time so that we get to finish this project. Otherwise we don't give up. That's what restorations are all about. So yeah, that's where we are, and we're gonna overcome. Yeah, so that's it. I'm just trying to see if I can do the flashlight, point at the gear there inside, at the same time show you the, okay, just hold a moment. Okay, just for the sake of you seeing what I'm talking about, so I've put the gear here, just hanging it here so that you see the direction of the teeth, where it's going. And then when you look right inside there on the shaft, right inside there, when I do like this, my flashlight, there you go. Can you see those teeth? They're going the opposite direction to this one you're seeing on top here, the gear you're seeing on top here. The gears inside there. Wow, this is a bit tricky. The gears. Yeah, so there we go. There we go. There. So the camera keep focusing on this one here, but the one I want to show you is right inside there. Right inside there. Can you see those gears there? They're going right the opposite direction to this one right here. Okay, let me see, can I zoom that right here and do that? Yes, those gears right there. If you can see that inside, that's where the challenge is right now. So until then, I have to order this and continue from there.